My name's Kathy. I'm from Ballina, Northern New South Wales. Just that they're honest, they pay forward, and they don't get caught up in the hype like some of the other things that my sister's looked into. One of the guys, which I won't name, it's all about the hype and the showiness of everything. These guys aren't showy, they're genuine, and they like to pass on the knowledge that they learnt. They're very giving people. Most definitely, yeah. It's reinstated value of people for me, and also that there are still good people in the world, that you can achieve what you want to achieve. You keep going and don't get put down by everyone that's negative around you. Just keep surrounding yourself with like-minded people. Anybody, most definitely, yeah, their heart is in the right place.